So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal working at LEXIS and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. Today in this video we are going to discuss what is the difference between arbitration and mediation. These are the basic terms you might have heard if you from a legal background, or if you are a law student, or if you are interning under any advocate being a law student, or if you are newly enrolled before any bar council of state bar council in India. So let's start from what is arbitration. Basically, we are going to discuss the differences between this. So first, I'm going to point wise I will be different discuss the differences between arbitration and mediation. So the first is in arbitration one can file can be voluntarily or compulsorily court ordered. Okay. Arbitration can be it can be compulsorily, or it can be voluntarily. If it's voluntarily, it depends on upon the decision of the parties, both the parties, and it's their discretionary, or otherwise some in some cases it is also the court order as well, which is compulsorily, which applies on both the parties. They have to go through arbitration. And if we talk about mediation, so mediation can be voluntarily and compulsorily, same like as same as like arbitration. So in mediation as well, if it's court order, then it is compulsorily, it binds both the parties, it will be applicable on both the parties. They have to go through mediation. And the second is second is it is voluntarily. So if it's voluntary, it depends upon the decision of the both the parties, whether they want to go in mediation or not. And the second point is this is the first point. And the second is, trial is stayed, put on pause pending outcome. All right. So trial is stayed pending outcome. If the trial has been stayed, then stayed pending, then the outcome will be stayed. And if trial is replaced by arbitration. In mediation, trial is replaced by arbitration. And the third point is, mediator's function is to facilitate negotiation. In arbitration, it is the mediator's function, to perform is to perform or to facilitate the negotiation. And in mediation, to arbitration's function is to render a decision on matter. All right. So it's like opposite. In arbitration there is mandatory mediator, and in mediation arbitration function is applicable to render a decision on the matter. And the final is, mediation ends when settlement is reached, or when parties are deadlocked. All right. So in mediation, the final decision or the final outcome depends upon the settlement, if settlement has reached, or when parties are deadlocked with each other. And in mediation, arbitration ends when the decision is handed down. All right. So that's all about arbitration and mediation. That is the difference, basically the basic difference between arbitration and mediation. I hope you understood, and do like, share this video with your friends, family members. See you in the next video. Bye bye.